How do I lowercase a string in Python? Is there a way to convert a string to lowercase?
Use str.lower.
The canonical Pythonic way of doing this is. However, if the purpose is to do case-insensitive matching, you should use case folding. Here's why. This is a str method in Python 3, but in Python 2, you want to look at the PyQ or Py2 case fold. Several answers address this here. Unicode Python 3. Python 3 handles plain string literals as Unicode. Python 2, plain string literals are bytes. In Python 2, the below, pasted into a shell, encodes the literal as a string of bytes using UTF-8. And lower doesn't map any changes that bytes would be aware of, so we get the same string. In scripts, Python will object to non-ASCII, as of Python 2.5, and warning in Python 2.4, bytes being in a string with no encoding given, since the intended coding would be ambiguous. For more on that, see the Unicode how-to in the docs and PEP 263. Use Unicode literals, not SDR literals. So we need a Unicode string to handle this conversion, accomplished easily with a Unicode string literal, which disambiguates with a U prefix, and note the U prefix also works in Python 3. Note that the bytes are completely different from the SDR bytes. The escape character is \U followed by the 2-byte width, or 16-bit representation of these Unicode letters. Now if we only have it in the form of a SDR, we need to convert it to Unicode. Python's Unicode type is a universal encoding format that has many advantages relative to most other encodings. We can either use the Unicode constructor or str.decode method with the codec to convert the SDR to Unicode. Both methods convert to the Unicode type, and same as the Unicode underscore literal. Best practice, use Unicode. It is recommended that you always work with text in Unicode. Software should only work with Unicode strings internally, converting to a particular encoding on output. Can encode back when necessary. However, to get the lowercase back in type str, encode the Python string to UTF-8 again. So in Python 2, Unicode can encode into Python strings, and Python strings can decode into the Unicode type.
With Python 2, this doesn't work for non-English words in UTF-8. In this case, decode UTF-8 can help.
Also, you can overwrite some variables. if you use like this. It will work just when called.